Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to sign up to Elevate account. For that, first of all, launch Elevate application on your device. Then you will see two options on your home page. To create account, simply tap on Get Started option. But if you have already account, then simply tap on Sign In option available there. Now, you just have to swipe right, or you can simply tap on the skip button which is on the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on Continue. Now here you have to answer few questions if you want to. If you do not want to, then simply tap on the skip button which is on the top right corner of your screen. Once you answer all of those questions, your skill will be determined and result will be published. At last, tap on Finish Setting Up Account. Here your sign up page has been opened. You can either sign up with Apple, Google, Facebook or email. For now, we are choosing email option. Now your sign-in page has been opened. You just have to fill out this form to create your account. First of all, enter your first name. Then enter your email address. Now create a strong password. Now enter your age. Once you fill out all of the information correctly, simply tap on Sign Up button right over there. Then your account has been successfully created in Elevate application. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.